leader, girls, Laika Santander. Student, principal, Josephine Gufo. CTP MAPE facilitator, George Mari Agustin. Majority coordinator, Gina Condesion. DXMC DLC coordinator, Jerry Arnaldo Jr. Edwin Sedan, DLC coordinator. Entry number 3, Salvacion High School, Sipocos, Camarines Sur. Entry number 3, the school head, Miriam Camila. CTP MAPE facilitator, Edwin Kiba. Romaren Jean Matulis. Major coordinator, Eddie Marie Cavaldera. DXMC DLC coordinator, band director, Zemri Obokne. Entry number 4, Rinconada National Technical Vocational School, Santo Domingo, Irigas City. Thank you very much. Entry number 4, Rinconada National Technical Vocational School, Santo Domingo. Cararayan National High School, Cararayan, Naga City. Majorette and DXMC only. Castañeda, CTP MAPE facilitator, Police Second Lieutenant Santiago Rampoyo, Reserve Philippine Army, Major Coordinator Joy Argari, DXMC DLC Coordinator Ken Joseph Samar. Entry number 6, Salvacion National High School, Salvacion, Baco, Camarines Sur. School, Salvacion Bato, Camarines Sur. Elian Taguban, School Head. Principal, Maribel Alano, PhD. CDP Facilitator, Warren Slavinias. Major and Coordinator, Vanessa Orsena. DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Ratu Yanson. Assistant Major Coordinator, Joey Dolor. Assistant DLC Coordinator, P. Benson Imperial. MAPE Coordinator, Alvin C. Ross. Entry number 7, Ramon Felipe Sr., National High School, San Vicente Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Baronet. Second, Platoon Leader Girls, Jonah Carranza. School Head Principal, Luminaga Ariola. CCT MAPE Facilitator, Rolando Alphonse Jr. Major Coordinator, Eden Claro. PSSC PLC Coordinator, Early Recanada. Entry number 8, Payata National High School, Payata Goa, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 8, Payatan National High School, Payatan Goa, Camarines. Angelo Cruzas, Major Coordinator, Kimberly Briones. DXMC PLC Coordinator, Band Director, Sally Renova. Alan Rosido. Entry number 9, Homopono East Gonzales National High School, Bahay, Limanat, Camarines Sur. Floriano, CDP MAPE Facilitator, Eddie Alder Jr., Major Coordinator, Alena Mary Rosebell Melmida, DXMC DLC Coordinator, Rika Capi, Vilma Misolas, Jeremy Mojico, Ronnie Boy Trigole, and Troy Almiguele. Entry number 10, Lupig National High School, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 10, Lumina Christian Sanchal, CDP Mapes Facilitator, Mary Joy Achero, Major Coordinator, Annabeth Fuentes, EXS DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Christian Galvan. Entry number 11, Shepherdville College, Talhomon, Sigaw, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 11, Shepherdville College, DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Regine Abukar. Entry number 12, San Ramon High School, San Ramon, Bulac, Camarines Sur. Entry number 12, Dr. Sally Balatan, School Head Principal, J.E. Isabel Barrera, CDP Mapes Facilitator, Salvador Lulu, CDP Mapes Trainer, Johannes Del Capo, Assistant CDP Mapes Facilitator, Edgar Elcano, Major Coordinator, Maria Lopez Sodoro, Assistant Major Coordinator, Marcus Ostuna, Major Trainer, Angela Benista, DXMP DLC Coordinator, Erika G. Aquino, Assistant DXMP DLC Coordinator, Jaimar Brian Barrera, DXMP DLC Trainer, Christian Alperes. Entry number 13, Don Gregorio Balatan Institute, Information System, Balatan Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 13, Don Gregorio Balatan Institute Incorporated, Sierra Balatan Camarines. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Mark Angelo Rosas, Rolly Apanes, Assistant CDP Facilitator, James Agregado, Assistant CDP Facilitator. Entry number 14, Goa National High School, Taytay, Goa Camarines School. Thank you very much. Entry number 14, Gorak National High School, TV Mapet Facilitator, Joanna Rose Reyes, Majorette Coordinator, Ray Salsa, Marisol Sumayo, DSMC DLC Coordinator, Arlene B. Vega, Dan Edward Oxiano, Support Staff, Ken Cole, Dan Henry Lorenzo, Hotel Velasco. Entry number 15, Victor Bernal, Provincial High School, San Vicente of Buon Nabua, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 15, Victor Bernal, Provincial High School, San Vicente of Buon Nabua. Second, platoon leader girls, Alexandra Torniente. Officer in charge, School Head, Merly Esquilador. CTP Mafia Facilitator, Emilio Rodado. Assistant CTP Mafia Facilitator, Sergeant Johannes Delgaco. Reserve Philippine Army, Majorette Coordinator, Jose Andros Laison. Assistant Majorette Coordinator, Michelle Sublero. Majorette Trainer, Denny Bagasala. DSMC DLC Coordinator, Josie Ann Ansus. Entry number 16, Tanay High School, Tanay Nabua, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 16, Tanay High School, Tanay Nabua. Major Coordinator, Miss Ira J. Compuesto. DLC Coordinator, Mr. John Joshua Parol. Entry number 17, St. Andrew Academy Incorporated, San Antonio, Sangay, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 17, St. Andrew Academy Facilitator, Kenneth Dediaga. Major Coordinator, Annabelle Havel. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Neri Servo III. Jessica De Casa, Assistant CTV Facilitator. Entry number 18, Ragay National Agricultural and Fishery School, Liboro, Ragay, Camarines Sur. you very much. Entry number 18, Barangay National Agricultural and Fisheries School, Liboro, Barangay Camarines Sur. DLC Major President, Joshim Kyle Tabagan. Entry number 19, Salomon High School, Salomon, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 19, Salomon High School, Group S2, Nadine Obias, Group S3, Caroline Candice Trillanes, Group S4, Mayin Desra Cañaveras, Major Leader, Claire Dominic Atole, DXF Leader, Jean Alvic Serrano, CTV Company Commander, Rain Corono, CTV Company EXO, Sailor Ashley Brioso, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Alvic Martizano, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Queen Yvette Formanejo, School Head, Principal, Sister Eleanor Amante, SPC, CTV Mape Facilitator, Mr. John Alvin Lee, Major Coordinator, Ms. Jane Duaso, the XMC DLC Coordinator, Mr. Mark Johnson Dorma, and number 20, People Academy School Incorporated, Rewan Academy School. Thank you very much. Entry number 20, St. Paul Diaz, Major Leader, Princess Doriana Omandang, the XMC Leader, John Raven Parza, CTV Company Commander, Frank Cherry Plazo, CTV Company XO, Edward Luna, First Platoon Leader Boys, Rafael Panuelos, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Jake Rachel de Guzman, School Head Principal, Sister Maria Agnes Carquino OP, CTV Mape Facilitator, Mr. Gregory Israel, Major Coordinator, Mrs. Joy Pitaliano, DXMC DLC Coordinator, Ms. Angelica Riva. Entry number 21, Sheena College, Sigawan, Incorporated, Angelo Municipio, Poblacion, Sigawan, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 21, Sheena College School Head Principal, Dennis Rabeje, CTV Mape Facilitator, Robert Bustamante, Major Coordinator, Romeo Porca, DXMC DLC Coordinator, Bernard Panindi. Entry number 22, Dinalmort National High School, Dinalmort, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. entry, Darlene Lesanque, School Head, Principal, Erlinda Carino, CTV Mape Facilitator, Gilmar Armolias, Major and Coordinator, Leslie Ann Belen, DXN CCLC Coordinator, Rodel Capisonda, Aliyah Marie Capisonda, Major Trainer, and Aaron James Visa, DXC Trainer. Entry number 23, Don N. Gonzalo Memorial High School, Kapitinan Bagan, Camarines Sur. And Marian Lopez, Assistant Coordinator. Major and Coordinator, Rosemary Rosa. Mark Anthony Alcano, Assistant Coordinator. DX MCPLC Coordinator, Christian Liria. Peter Paul Fermante. Merlin Santa Cruz Ole, School President. Entry number 25, Mother Teresa Cunayo, the Balatan Incorporated, Durang Balatan, Camarines Sur. Torres, Troop S3, Zidric Arellano, Troop S4, Nicole Dutoma, Major Leader, Kate Salcedo, DLC Leader, RJ Ragusa, CTV Company Commander, Ivan Domingo Cabatera, CTV Company Axel, George Angelo Lojero, First Platoon Leader, Boys, John Eric Sermona, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Christy Joy Erasga, School Head, Rayson Gonzalez, CTV Facilitator, Rizalde Morillo, Hazel Crónico, Major Coordinator, Joseph Gilgamer, Rachel D. Marani, DLC Coordinator, Jason Bonita, Mark Janver Abinal, Major Trainer, Jefferson Valencia, DX Trainer, Christian Batan, Entry number 26, Tapayas National High School, Tapayas Malatan, Camarines Sur. James Ivan Consorte, First Platoon Leader Boys, Rachel Vertes, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Janet Salas, School Head, Wenceslao Santiago, CTV Market Facilitator, Mark John Francisco, Gian Javier, Major and Coordinator, Corina Danesa Batan, DCDLC Coordinator, Eric Boak, Jimmy Azuela, School Representative, Christian Edrian Batan, entry number 27, La Victoria High School, La Victoria, Bulak, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 27, La Victoria High School, La Victoria, Bulak, Camarines Sur.
Major Leader, Chloe Gabriela L. Rada. DXNC Leader, Taven C. Cornell. CTV Company Commander, Vic Francis Calustre. CTV Company XO, John Lawrence de Vergara. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Robert C. Brutas. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Mafia Pelares. School Head, Filomena C. Vergara. CTV Facilitator, Leonardo Di Castro. Major Coordinator, Jonathan Cuadro. NATO National High School of NATO Sangay, Camarines Sur. Thank you. That was entry number 32 from NATO National High School, NATO Sangay Maestrado. DSNC leader, Randolph Jude F. Reyes. City leader and company commander, Amber Cedric Dolosan. CDP company XO, Margaret Ezana B. Balitaan. First platoon leader, CDP boys, Cyrus Hudson S. Nacaro. Second platoon leader, girls, Jaina Marie A. Zolita. School head, Sister Elizabeth Infante OSA. CDP facilitator, Mr. Abel Raymond Ramos. Major coordinator, Mr. Richard Moron. DSO coordinator, Mr. Jean Patrick Martinez. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 33 from Lagos National College, University. That was entry number 32, Denver Y. Troop S2, Saijan and De Castro and Troop S3, Ken Anthony O. Vargas, Troop S4, Major Leader, Hazel Grace D. Espano, DSNC Leader, Lance Miller D. Regencia, CDP Company Commander, Dan K. Cabantaya, CDP Company XO, Dan K. Simupi, First Platoon Leader Boy, Ken Barbon, Second Platoon Leader, CDP First Senior General, School Head, Hazel Stetter, CDP Facilitator, Ronald Beckett, Major Coordinator, Janet Mujeta, Joshua Calisa, Assistant Secretary, Marcos, Facilitator, Francis Mempoy Moreno, Joseph Trainer, King Jonel Barbara, Major Trainer. Ladies and gentlemen, from Catalutoa National High School, Sangay, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Second platoon leader, girls, Maria P. Angela Colencillo. School head, Dr. Levi R. Palmes. CDP facilitator, Jason B. Delgado. Major coordinator, Jesse B. Giuseppe. And DXNG coordinator, Paolo P. Reyes. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 34 from the National High School, Catalotoan, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 34 from Rangas Ramos National High School. I would like to acknowledge Ma'am Analogy A. Rigaste, Troop S4, Lucian and Rigaste, Major Leader, Manila C. Boom, DSS Leader, Ken Brian Arrequejo, CDP Company Commander, Chris J. and Padres, CDP Company XO, David F. Ole John Chris and Daniel. Second platoon leader girls, Francis N.C. Maraveles. School head, Sandy A. Santibar. CTP facilitator, Jonathan P. Malabar. Thank you. Entry number 35, Alcamarino Casio High School, Apil, Camarines Sur. Tombado Jr. CTP Company Commander, Liliel M. Francisco. CTP Company XO, Marco Q. Orino. First platoon leader, CTP Boys, John Rick San Diego. Second platoon leader, CTP Girls, Sherlyn B. Aveles. School head, Rosalinda R. Aulios, Dr. Abulasi. CTP facilitator, Rostam Mabaw, Major Coordinator, Ronald Santiago, and General Lino. Lieutenant Leader, Christopher Cathedral, and Reverend Mayores. Thank you. That was entry number 36. Gregorio Paulo Gavino. Majorette Coordinator, Emelina Albay and Rosalina Lozano. BXNC Coordinator, Frances Garbeles and Jubes Orsilida. Menancio Obrero, Johnny Vasquez, Gerald Chiesa and Padilla. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 37 from Felipe P. Panton High School, Inunan, Tininunan, Bulac, Camarines Sur. Thank you. That was entry number 37 from Philippe Janking and Mesolas. CTP Company Commander, Julius C. Salvante. CTP Company XO, Jovelyn T. Monroy. First platoon leader, boys, Nicholson Nopia. Second platoon leader, girls, Cassidy Bernardo. School head principal, Armando A. Imperial. CTP facilitator, Richard B. Pangida. Major Coordinator, Sherilyn Abondo Kaayaw. DSNC Coordinator, Alan Morgan. Michael Angelo Avera, Efrain Escampo. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 38 from Rolando Arandalo Senior Memorial High School, by Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thank you. That was entry number 38 from Rolando Arandaya Senior Memorial High School. Leader, Liza Marie P. Abonado. DSNC Leader, Mark P. Borseles. CTP Company Commander, Marvin J. Sanyo. CTP Company SO, Renier B. Perez. First platoon leader, CTP Boys, Ralph Deliver D. Velasco. Second platoon leader, CTP Girls, Almar P. Panase. School head, Abigail B. Tenyosa. CTP facilitator, Ernest Xiao Payton Makaya, Jeremy Aceves, and Lenny C. Capelli. Major coordinator, Emanuel Domingo Institute Incorporated. Thank you. That was entry number 39 from Santo Domingo Institute Incorporated. Santo Jones Obado. DXNC leader, Genmark P. Pakay. CDP Company Commander, Jermel O. Obado. CDP Company XO, Cherry Gwen P. Caballero. First Battalion leader, CDP Boys, Dominic M. Morador. Second Battalion leader, Girl Maria Joy D. Bermejo. Bermejo. Schoolhead, Anduska P. Ora. CDP Facilitator, Salvador O. Arsenio III. Major Coordinator, Lesan Gañanes. And Mr. C. Coordinator, Yan Rivero. Alan Santiago, Assistant Secretary Facilitator. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 40 from National Vocational High School.
Thank you very much. Entry number 40, Lahat National Vocational High School, CTV Company Commander, Santino de Belen, CTV Company XO, Joy Francisco or Irish Joy Francisco. First platoon leader, Men's Rome Abatola. Second platoon leader, girls, from the floor, Alexandra Anica. Student, Sister Wilma Boma Ngabang, OP. CCP Mape Facilitator, Mrs. Emma Riondanga. Major Coordinator, Mrs. Shirley Reed. DXNCCLC Coordinator, Mrs. Emma Riondanga. DLC Trainer, Armand Lagatus. Major Trainer, Nicole Rickman. Entry number 41, Colegio del Santísimo Rosario Incorporated, Limanan, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 41, Colegio del Santísimo Rosario Incorporated. Coordinator, G.D. Benitez. DXC Assistant Coordinator, Richard Placedes. Entry number 42, Kugit High School, Kugit Balatan, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 42, Kugit High School, Kugit Balatan, Camarines Sur. Arca, second platoon leader girls, Wesley Medina. School head principal, Dr. Herwin Ibariantos. CTV Mape Facilitator, Jayon Imperial. Major Coordinator, Justine Castro. DLC Coordinator, J.R. Certeza. John Ricardo Lasser, Band Master. Entry number 43, Cabalinadan High School, Cabalinadan, Sigaon, Cabalinadan School. Thank you very much. Entry number 43, Kapalinadan High School, Kapalinadan. First platoon leader boys, Jake Iverson Petran. Second platoon leader girls, Jordan Balisamon. School head, Analisa Blancabuc. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Joyna Romero. Major Coordinator, Cynthia Elevado. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Kevin Borja. Jasmine Sanabres, Assistant Major Coordinator. Messi Casini, Assistant Major Coordinator. Gogi Bocapa, Assistant City Coordinator. Marian Carla Bumor, Assistant ELC Coordinator. Entry number 44, Lysel Pasakawan Coordinator, Santa Rosa del Norte, Pasakawan, Coronel Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 44, Lysel de Pasakawan Coordinator, Santa Rosa del Norte.